At Brand Finance, we adopt a royalty relief methodology to determine the value of the brands. We do the same in the Tech 100 ranking. We include several subsectors in the ranking. We have semiconductors, we have internet and software, electronic and appliances, IT services, media. The way we look at the brands and the way we value them, we look first at what is their strength in the sector and the market in which they operate. Then we look at the royalty that they can charge in a licensing situation, hypothetical licensing situation. We look at the forecast revenue, we apply that implied royalty on forecast revenue growth, and we discount it back to net present value. That's how we calculate the brand value of the most valuable tech brands. The US brands account for 80% of the value in the Tech 100. The gap versus other countries that contributes to the overall $3.7 trillion of the top 100 has actually widened over the last 10 years. We had a look in the past, and actually over the last 5 years, US brands have increased their pace in terms of how fast they've been growing as brands. So although the second biggest contributor country-wise is China, we are seeing US still dominating the ranking. The fastest growing brand value sector this year in the Tech 100 was semiconductors. And this is already the second year that we are seeing that, we're seeing a strong momentum for semiconductor brands. Although in the big scheme of things, from a brand value perspective, the value share is still relatively low, which means that actually when you think about what should this type of company do to capitalize on the strength that they're building in the market, one could be to keep trying to grow brand value through brand related investment. Technology brands, like any other brand, could leverage Brand Finance database. Brand Finance is one of the largest databases in the world of brand valuation and brand research. And we research more than 6,000 brands and we publish 5,000 every year. So you're welcome to use Brand Finance database and get in touch if you have any question.